Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. Hey, we are doing a series on Survey Junkie, and if you haven't downloaded it yet, to check it out, all you have to do is go down into the video description below. The first link there, you're going to click on that. You'll be able to download the app, and if you do so, you're going to get additional sign-up points. And what does that even mean? Well, we're going to kind of go over it today. I'm going to show you guys how to use the Survey Junkie app. So actually, we're going to do a screen recording. Going to start that right now, potentially. Maybe. And here we go. All right, good. We got that going. All right, so yeah, Survey Junkie. What is it? Well, first of all, Survey Junkie is pretty much the only legitimate company that does paid surveys. There's a lot of companies out there that claim that they do legitimate surveys for money, but a lot of them are scams. So Survey Junkie, been around for a long time, and you sign up, you can do surveys, you get paid points, you can cash out those points for cash, for gift cards. You can send it directly to your bank account, can send it to your PayPal, or you can get gift cards, like I mentioned. Anyway, we'll go over all of that stuff, and I just want to show you guys a little bit about what it's all about. So let's get into it. So here's my account here, right? Survey Junkie. I've already got it signed up, and we'll just go through this a little bit. So if you take a look here at my points, you can see that points directly translate over to dollar amount. So I have 562 points. That's $5.62. So one of the great things about Survey Junkie is that you only need $5 in order to cash out. You don't need like $20, $25, $100, something like that. Only $5. So it doesn't take too long before you hit that $5 mark, and then you can cash out. Downfall of Survey Junkie, you're definitely not going to become a wealthy person doing these surveys. Yeah. That's one of the downfalls for sure. But they're also easy to do mindlessly while you're watching television. You know, you're taking a car ride somewhere, hanging out, going to the bathroom, I don't know. Whatever it is you're doing, you're waiting for someone to meet you for lunch. It's easy to do these surveys, and a lot of them are very short, and you can get a lot of points pretty quickly. So anyway, let's take a look at this. My current points, you see 562 points, $5.62. Since I'm over that $5 threshold, like I talked about, I can redeem that for a gift card. It says popular selections like Starbucks, Target, Amazon. There's also like Groupon on there. What else is on there? If I click it, it makes me do a verification process to look at the rest of them. Anyway, there's a bunch of gift cards. Oh, Sephora's on there. I have a girlfriend. That's why that popped into my head. What else? Yeah, I don't know. There's a bunch of them. You can check it out. Cash out with PayPal. Cash out with a bank transfer. All that good stuff. You can go through your history. You get to see where you made all of those points, right? So doing a survey. And you see all those little amounts, right? That's when you try to fill out a survey and you don't qualify for it. So here we can take a look. Oh, and there's more for me to load if I wanted to, but it seems about like I've been on a hot streak with the last 4 I was able to do. So one way that you can help to get more surveys that are geared directly to you is by filling out your profile. Your general profile, and then it's going to give you surveys that ask questions about you, like your technology profile, your shopping profile, health profile, household profile, interest profile, and travel profile. If you fill those out, you get, I think, 10 points per survey that you fill out for those. But you're going to get a lot more surveys directed towards you, so you won't get kicked out of a bunch of surveys. All right, and here's another cool thing, right? It tells you approximately how long those surveys are going to take. So it tells you how many points you can earn. Here, 45 points, 19 minutes, and they're all across the board. So if you've only got 10 minutes, you can scroll down, find one that's 10 minutes. And usually, so 50, so the highest one being that I'm offered right now is 75 points for 20 minutes. So anyway, the cool thing is too, once you take a survey, right, hit take a survey on here, it'll pull it up. Let's just go through this. On average, I qualify for every 1 out of 5 surveys. And the good thing is, if you don't qualify for a survey, they disqualify you very quickly within like a minute or two, so you don't waste your time on it. Let's just take a look what this looks like, right? It's going to ask you to fill out some different questions. I just want to show you guys what this looks like. And what industry do I work in? I'm just going to put others. And I am heterosexual. Okay. So these are like some of the qualifying questions that they'll ask. And I'm just going to put in whatever here. It's going to BS this, just so you guys can see what it's all about. All right, English. Anyway, I'm going to return. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Another cool thing is if you're doing a survey, let's say on your phone, you can, as long as you don't close the app, it'll keep the survey up for you. So if you don't have time to finish it right then, it's cool. Not a big deal. Now, some of the other cool things, right, you can sign up for clinical trials, which pay way better. As you can see here, you may receive up to $1,000 for clinical trials. So those are, if they're in your area, right? Can select the conditions, if any. Anyway, if you qualify for those, you can earn a lot of money on that. So those are good. What else? I mean, that's kind of all there really is to it. Go back here. Hold on. Maybe. Yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a brief overview of how this Survey Junkie thing works. Something that I like to do when I'm bored, hanging out. I'm seeing how much money I can earn while I'm receiving unemployment benefits through the end of that. And I won't cash out, so it's not going to count against my unemployment. It'll just hang out in my Survey Junkie account. But again, if you guys want to check it out, all you got to do is go down in the video description below, click on the first link, download the app, put in your information. You're going to get points for that. They give you a bunch of little points for filling out your profile, basically, and check it out. All right, you guys, that's what I got for you. I'm Jacob Letman. This is a Rideshare Hub. Until the next time, stay safe out there.